Hello everyone, and welcome to DUT App Factory 2-minute tutorials. My name is Sachin, and in these short videos I'll be covering the basics of SQL as a high-level overview and recap of its capabilities and practical use applications. In this video specifically, I'll be covering the absolute basics of SQL. SQL, or SQL, stands for Structured Query Language. It's primarily used for accessing and manipulating electronic databases. Specifically, SQL can create a new database and store tables inside the database, insert, retrieve, update, and delete records within a database, create views in a database, and set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. SQL is an ANSI ISO standard. However, there are different versions of SQL language that are used by different systems. Some of the popular systems are shown here. However, regardless of the variation, in order to be considered an ANSI and ISO standard, the following commands are needed, which are select, update, delete, insert, and where, which I will be covering in later parts of the series. There's also some important terminology that goes with storing a table using SQL, which I have highlighted in the slide. For example, this table represents typical data of what may be stored within an SQL database. The table name is called student information. The table is made up of vertical columns or attributes and horizontal rows or records. Each column has a title or name that gives meaning to what data it contains and is referred to as metadata, or data about data. A single entry is referred to as a field, and if no data is available for a particular entry, then it is referred to as null. I hope this video has helped give a basic overview of the concept discussed, and I leave you with an interesting question to pause the video and try and solve on your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.